Introducing the ultimate guide to the best demolition hammers that redefine power and precision in construction. These tools boast exceptional performance, effortlessly tackling the toughest materials with efficiency and speed. The lightweight and ergonomic design make them a joy to handle, ensuring both power and control are at your fingertips. Easy operation is a key highlight, allowing users of all skill levels to master the art of demolition effortlessly. Maximum comfort is prioritized, reducing fatigue during prolonged use. These hammers are not just tools, they are ergonomic companions for your demolition projects. Now it's your turn. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you experienced the raw power of these demolition hammers? Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this guide helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more expert reviews and insights. Join our community of construction enthusiasts as we explore the world of tools that redefine demolitions. Number 4 in our top today is the Berserker Demolition Hammer. The Berserker Demolition Hammer stands out as a powerhouse in the realm of construction tools, delivering exceptional performance that sets it apart. Its robust 1,700 watts motor churns out a staggering 2,100 BPM and an impressive 45 joules, 33.2 ft-lbs of impact energy. This brute force makes it ideal for swiftly chipping and chiseling through concrete road surfaces, trenching and executing heavy demolitions of walls with ease. Remarkably lightweight at only 25 pounds, its compact design ensures easy operation, both horizontally and vertically in various work environments. The D-shaped handle with a 360 degrees main axis and 180 degrees secondary axis rotation, coupled with an ergonomic grip area, enhances friction and operational stability. The versatility of the Berserker extends further with a 6-level adjustable device, allowing users to switch between 2,100 BPM, catering to a spectrum of work scenarios. The SDS-Max bit system enables tool-free bit changes with automatic locking, maximizing impact energy transfer. The self-lock design adds convenience by eliminating the need for constant pressing. Addressing user comfort, the double anti-vibration design, featuring a double spring handle and a built-in extended air cushion, minimizes vibrations, providing an optimal user experience. The heavy-duty construction, utilizing a high-strength aluminum-magnesium alloy housing, not only ensures durability but also prevents oil leakage. In conclusion, the Berserker Demolition Hammer is a versatile and powerful tool, offering a wide range of practical applications, from breaking holes and trenching to chipping and demolishing various materials with efficiency and precision. It's a must-have for professionals in the construction and demolition field. Number 3 in our top today is the BOSCH Demolition Hammer. The BOSCH Demolition Hammer stands out as an epitome of versatility, offering multi-use applications that redefine the standard in construction tools. Designed for hammer-only mode, it excels in chipping and demolition tasks across various materials, including metal and plastic. Whether it's breaking up block, concrete, or tackling tough tiles, this powerhouse delivers unrivaled performance. At the core of its capabilities is the constant response circuitry, ensuring speed consistency under load, overload protection, and smooth startup control. Weighing a mere 13.7 pounds, the BOSCH 11321 EVS Demo Hammer boasts an impressive power-to-weight ratio, delivering 6.1 feet-pounds of impact energy and a maximum of 2,900 BPM. Optimized for user convenience, the AutoMax speed dial guarantees maximum speed with each tool activation, aligning the hammer power precisely with the application requirements. The Vario Lock positioning feature adds another layer of sophistication, allowing users to optimize the work angle for the best chiseling location. This BOSCH Demolition Hammer is a testament to the brand's commitment to delivering cutting-edge tools that not only meet but exceed industry expectations. Its versatility, combined with exceptional performance, power, and optimized features, make it an indispensable asset for professionals seeking a reliable and efficient tool for a diverse range of construction applications. If you're in search of a demolition hammer that goes beyond the ordinary, the BOSCH Demolition Hammer is your top-tier choice. Subscribe now for exclusive content and stay updated on industry insights. Number 2 in our top today is the Berserker Demolition Hammer. The Berserker Demolition Hammer, a true marvel in construction tools, seamlessly combines power with user-friendly features, making it the ideal choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Weighing a mere 12 pounds, this demolition hammer defies its lightweight design by delivering robust performance for both horizontal and vertical concrete demolition applications. With a potent 1,300 watts 11 AMP motor, it generates an impressive 4,100 BPM and 15 joules, 11.1 FTLBS, of impact energy, ensuring swift and efficient chipping and demolition tasks. The SDS-Max bit system simplifies tool-free bit changes with automatic bit locking, complete with dust protection and maximum impact energy transfer. Designed for user comfort during extended work periods, the lock-on button alleviates the need for constant pressure on the startup button. The 360 degrees adjustable accessory handle and ergonomic grip area cater to diverse work occasions, enhancing control and reducing fatigue. The Vario-lock positioning feature sets this demolition hammer apart, allowing the rotation and locking of the chisel into 12 different positions for optimal working angles. Anti-vibration technology, AVT, takes user comfort a step further, effectively reducing vibrations to minimize fatigue. The longer air cushion in the hammer mechanism and the spring-loaded vibration-absorbing rear handle contribute to an improved hammer performance and an overall enhanced user experience. In summary, the Berserker Demolition Hammer, with its lightweight yet powerful design, easy operation, ergonomic features, and triple vibration control, proves itself as a practical and versatile tool for a wide range of applications, from breaking holes to demolition in various materials. If you seek efficiency, comfort, and reliability, the Berserker 45HM is the ultimate choice for your demolition needs. And finally, the first place in our list is occupied by the VEVOR Demolition Jackhammer. The VEVOR Demolition Jackhammer epitomizes exceptional performance, premium quality, and a dedication to user comfort, making it an exemplary choice for a myriad of applications. Equipped with 4 heat-treated alloy steel chisel bits, clay spade, scraping chisel, flat chisel, and point chisel, this powerhouse assures durability. Featuring a robust Max 2200W motor with 1,350 BPM, the electric hammer delivers extreme power, reinforced by a heavy-duty metal construction ensuring enduring performance, corrosion resistance, and longevity. Additional accessories like protective gloves, a case, and hex wrenches add further value. The 360 degrees rotary and vibration-proof handle, along with an adjustable forehandle, provides unparalleled control in various positions. Slip-proof rubber on the handles enhances friction and absorbs vibrations for precise control and a comfortable work experience. The special D-shaped handle absorbs vibrations, reducing muscle fatigue. Safety features include a trigger and lock button for secure speed control, an oil port for easy maintenance, and cooling holes for effective heat dissipation. The VEVOR Demolition Jackhammer excels in demolition, trenching, chipping, and various applications, delivering unparalleled performance and reliability in concrete, block, brick, tile, stucco, and more. From housing foundation removal to plumbing and interior decoration, this electric hammer proves its versatility. In conclusion, the best demolition hammers reviewed redefine efficiency and power in construction. Whether it's Berserker's lightweight precision, BOSCH's versatile performance, or VEVOR's exceptional quality, these tools excel. Share your thoughts below. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more expert insights on our channel.